Alrighty, we're gonna go over how to draw a Silent Hill nurse. It's gonna be step-by-step for beginners. And so let's get going. It's gonna be kind of like just upper body. If you want, I can do a full body one later. But right now it's gonna be like more upper body stuff. So let's get started. First thing I do over here is I'm going to kind of draw a curve here for her face. The face is like kind of mushy and weird. Kind of like it's partially organic. So line here for the chin area. Curve over here for the top of the, right below the hat, top of the head. Down over here. Let me get like a fresh marker. My marker's like dying out. I use these markers here and they die out so quickly. It's really annoying. All right, here's a new marker. Should work. All right, and curve here. There we go. Line over here for the back of the jaw. Line down for the neck. Line down for the neck. I'm gonna draw the kind of what do you call it? The V-neck area. Down over here. Curve here into the chest area. Line over here for the neck on that far side. Up. Curve over here. All right. Let's go to the hat. That kind of nurse's hat thing. Line up. Down. Curve. Kind of like this bonnet thing. I don't know, that angle looks so weird. Okie doke. It gets kind of bigger around the side, so you can draw that line there. So for the face, you want it to be organic. It's kind of mushy, and so what we could do is draw this curve line like so, curve line like so, curve these thin lines. Don't draw it like thick. Excuse me. Sorry, guys, I sneezed. I'm getting over like a cold, so curve over here. Alrighty. I'm gonna go over here to the chest area, curve right here, and curve over here. And I'm gonna go over here and draw the collar on her. Like so. See that around the edge, the collar of the shirt here? Line up over here. Curve along the side of the top of the arm there. Curve right for the other shoulder. Curve right there. Line down. And I'm going to have her hand stick up over here, right? So I'm going to draw her hand over here on this side. That's her thumb. Her finger on this side. Other finger, other finger, other finger. Curve over here. Line underneath. Line here for the wrist, going into the point of the arm there. So she has her arm up, aiming, right? I used to think these things were amazing, and they are. I want to do like a full illustration of Silent Hill Nurse. They're really awesome. And I'm going to pull here into the waist area. Out, down. Over here in this area. Curve, curve. Kind of a belt over here. Down over here. Out. Line, line, line. Into the kind of skirt area. And let's draw her far side arm, okay? Her far side arm on that side. Don't forget, hit up the Gumroad. I don't know if I mentioned that already. But Gumroad has, the Gumroad on my page has free art resources. So if you want to learn to draw the face, there's literally like a template to draw the face. Completely 100% free, no sign up, nothing. Just go over there to the Gumroad. I'm going to put the link in the description. Also put the link in the in the main, what do you call it? In the main profile there. So go check that out. Completely free resource. Go check that out. Line down, down, curve down here, and curve down here. And our hand's going to go off into oblivion over there. Put our tag over here on our chest. Line here for the clavicle, like clavicle line. And if you really want, you can draw the cleavage line. Excuse me. And then maybe draw like folding here. Everything else is like a detail at this point. You can draw more folding along the cloth of her outfit. Kind of up to you. So anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will talk to you in the next video. If there's anything else you want, let me know. I love Silent Hill. I'm like a Silent Hill fanboy. There needs to be another game. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. All right, later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.